Hi guys, I am going to teach you how to make a poof book right now. Now a poof book is something we're going to use in our notes quite a bit. So you'll see you've got your piece of paper with the front, and I'm using this as just kind of a general example of our poof book because we'll be making a bunch of them. So the first thing you need to do is you need to fold that piece of paper hamburger style, which means the kind of long way, so it's folded in half there. Then go ahead and unfold that and fold it hamburger style, which is kind of our short way. So you see I still have my front of the book there. So from hamburger style, I'm going to go ahead and fold it again. And this is apparently called a taco fold, which I was not aware of that. So you'll see that now I just have all of these creases. Okay? So now here's what I want you to do. So you'll see I fold this way, and I just have a scrap piece of paper, so you'll see stuff on the inside of mine. So now you see I've got my crease right here on this side, because it opens, and I see I'm looking at the front of my book. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors, and I cut along this middle crease, but I don't cut the whole way. I only cut until where I had that taco fold at, that was right here. So I only cut until then. So then I can go ahead and open up my book, and you see I have this little spot, and that's exactly how it works. So now I'm going to kind of pinch, right? I fold it and I pinch. And then I push these together, and you'll see that the front of the book comes to right here. And then I can just crease it again. So now I have my absolute lovely little folding poof book. So we're going to make these for several times in our class just to make our notes a little bit easier and give us a different way to keep track of our work and our thinking.